Want to know how to check and delete your Google Play Store purchase history? You might want to review your purchase history to keep track of your spending. Remember what you bought, or for tax purposes. No worries. Here's how you can access and manage your purchase history without a hassle. Method: open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Budget and History. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of all your digital purchases, including apps, games, movies, books, and in-app purchases, along with the date and amount. You can scroll through this list to see your entire history. It's crucial to understand that Google does not allow you to permanently delete individual purchase records from your Google Play Store history. However, there is a feature that allows you to hide items from your app library, which can make your My Apps list clearer. This is not deleting the purchase record itself. To do that, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Manage Apps and Devices. Tap the Manage app. By default, it will show all the installed app. Tap this device and select Not Installed. Find the app you wish to hide from this list. Tap the checkbox next to the app. Tap the delete icon, often a trash can or an X icon, at the top of the screen. Confirm by tapping Remove. This removes the app from your My Apps list, but the purchase record for it still exists in your budget and history, and you can always re-download it by searching for it again in the Play Store. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Google Play Store purchase history and the limitations regarding deleting items from it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.